This magical necklace transforms from 4 hearts into one lucky clover in seconds. But this isn't just clever engineering. It's a piece that carries centuries of meaning and hope. Let me show you something extraordinary. Watch as 4 individual hearts magnetically fold together to create a perfect 4-leaf clover. Then, with a gentle touch, they spread apart into an elegant line of 4 love-shaped hearts. This is true 4-in-1 design, giving you multiple ways to wear one meaningful piece. But here's what makes this truly special. 4-leaf clovers are incredibly rare, found in just 1 out of every 10,000 regular clovers. Legend says the 4-leaf clover was brought to Earth by Eve herself from the Garden of Eden. Each leaf carries its own powerful meaning. The first leaf represents true love, the second represents health, the third represents glory, and the fourth represents wealth. When you wear this necklace, you're carrying all 4 blessings with you. Whether you choose the clover formation for luck and protection, or the spread heart design for love and romance, you're wearing a symbol that has inspired hope for generations. This isn't just jewelry. It's a talisman that transforms not just in shape, but in the energy it brings to your life. The magnetic mechanism makes switching between styles effortless, so you can match your mood, your outfit, or the occasion. From ancient gardens to modern style, some symbols never lose their power.